Hello guys! For today, I'm going to install QuickBooks Enterprise 2019 version. Yes, it's an old version, but I need to install it because I have to restore some files using the 2019 version for some auditing. Okay, so before we're going to install the software, we are going to download first the installer from this link. This is from the website of QuickBooks, and then I'm going to paste this in the description box below. Okay, so will you be using QuickBooks Desktop on multiple computers at the same time? I will click No. Next. Then I will click the standard setup, and the version is US. So there is no enterprise version anymore for the UK version of QuickBooks. And then the product is QuickBooks Enterprise, and the version is 2019. I will click Search, and then Download. Okay, so it will download the installer, and it will take a few minutes. So it's here. So here's the installer that I downloaded from the website. I will double click this. I will click Next. You can view the license agreement here and then click Accept and Continue. And then we'll put in the license number. And then the product number. Click Next. For the custom and network options, we have three options here. I'll be using QuickBooks Desktop on this computer. The second option is I will be using QuickBooks Desktop on this computer, and I will be storing our company file here so that it can be shared over the network. So meaning that I'll be using QuickBooks on this computer and my computer will serve as the server. For the third option, I will not be using QuickBooks Desktop on this computer. I will be storing our company file here so it can be shared over the network. So it means that my computer will just be the server for our company file. I will choose the first option and then I will click Next. This is for the installation location. I will click Next and I will click Install. The installation is complete. I will click Open QuickBooks. And then I will choose the Enterprise Solutions General Business. I will click Next. And then I will click Finish. And then this is for the automatic updates. I will click Yes. And here's our QuickBooks. It's blinking. And I will click Begin Activation to activate our QuickBooks software. So you should have internet connection. Our QuickBooks is already activated. I will close this page. I will click OK. And here's our QuickBooks. You can now create your new company file or you can restore an old company file.
For more QuickBooks tutorials, tips, and tricks, just subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you!